See, here's the thing.
We
We're both
have
here
to
right
take
now.
our clothes off.
So sexy.
We have to party all night.
It's a tap moment.
We have to take our clothes off to have a good time. Oh no, no, no.
Excuse me, miss. I couldn't help but to notice how alone you are. I take the attitude and how you acting like you own the bar. Got me flashing keys and I don't even own a car. Felt like you ain't feeling my charm because I know you are. I'm trying to see how your lips feel. Oh, I'm sorry, my name is Travi and I'm pretty much a big deal. Oh, you never heard of me? That sounds absurd to me. What you stole my attention was flat out burglary. What do you say, let's exit stage left so me and you could possibly reconvene to play some naked peekaboo. Cause after all the blouse you're wearing's kinda see-through and it's obvious I'm heading wherever you're leading me to. Such an angel with a devilish angle and quite the certified sweet talker. And you're buying every line of it, girl. And I don't really blame you. If I was in your shoes, I'd probably do the same.
Não tá.
De verão que eu a vi pela primeira vez.
Band FM.
Foi a sua primeira aparição, bastante pra me convencer.
A partir daquele dia.
Tava lá na minha